Hello, in this lecture, we shall discuss the structure and reproduction of nostoc. The blue-green algae, also known as cyanobacteria, represent a group of prokaryotes. Cyanobacteria can grow in diverse habitats. There are over 150 genera and 1,500 species of freshwater, marine, and terrestrial blue-green algae. The thallus of the blue-green algae may be unicellular, colonial, or filamentous, branched or unbranched in nature. One such example of a filamentous blue-green alga is Nostoc. Nostoc belongs to the class Cyanophyceae and is a filamentous, unbranched blue-green algae. They are prokaryotic and are found mainly in freshwater as free living colonies or attached to rocks or at the bottom of lakes. They are also found on tree trunks. Nostoc may also be found as an algal component of lichens, as a symbiont in association with certain bryophytes such as anthoceros. They are capable of nitrogen fixing and perform photosynthesis. Some species of nostoc are also present as an endosymbiont to fungus. Structure of thallus. The thallus of nostoc is filamentous and unbranched. They appear like a ball of colony enveloped by a gelatinous sheath and appear bluish-green in color. Each colony contains thousands of straight or twisted filaments, also called trichomes. A trichome is contorted and consists of mainly cells arranged in a beaded pattern. Each cell is somewhat cylindrical to spherical in shape. Some of the cells in the filaments are differentiated and are called as heterosis. Heterosis are generally intercalary, but in young condition they may be terminal in position. These are the sites for nitrogen fixation. They contain an enzyme called nitrogenase. Each heterocyst comprises of two polar nodules which have a thick wall on both their ends of the cell where it projects into the cell interior as a knob and has small pores which connect it with adjacent vegetative cells. Some cells of the filament become enlarged and are filled with food materials. These thick-walled cells are called echinates. Echinates may be present singly or in chains. Each cell in the filament has a thick cell wall made up of peptidoglycans. The cytoplasm of the cell is differentiated into outer chromoplasm and inner clear centroplasm. The chromoplasm contains a number of pigments. The chief pigment present in nostoc are C-phycocyanin and C-phycoerythrin, which imparts the blue-green coloration to the blue-green alga. The inner cytoplasm contains incipient nucleus or a nuclear body with taut histones. Reproduction in nostoc. Nostoc reproduces vegetatively. Asexual reproduction is also seen by spore formation. Sexual reproduction is totally absent. Hormogones and fragmentation are the common method of reproduction. Hormogones are formed by fragmentation, where the filament may break at definite points, and each broken part is called as hormogonia. The filament may break due to the death and decay of the normal vegetative cells. Heterosis may also assist in bringing about a breakage in the filament. Each hormogonium grows into a new filament by repeated cell division. Arthrospores. are formed during unfavorable conditions where some cells of the filament enlarge and are covered by a thick wall. These are called echinates or arthrospores or resting spores. On the onset of favorable conditions, they germinate into new filaments. Heterosis are also a method of reproduction where they separate from the filament, and a normal heterosis can become reproductive cell, and by the process of cell division may get converted into a new filament. Nostoc has a lot of ecological and biotechnological importance. They are important because of their capacity to fix atmospheric nitrogen. They are present in the rice fields and are used to increase the nutrient value of soil. Nostoc is rich in proteins and vitamin C and are used as a delicacy in various Asian countries. It is also used as a dietary supplement since ages. Some of the species of Nostoc are known to accumulate polyhydroxybutyrate, which is a precursor of plastic, and thus may find its application in the industry. Blue-green algae can also convert carbon dioxide to biofuels. Nostoc has shown to produce hydrogen. They can also be used for bioremediation of wastewater and degrade environmental pollutants. Nostoc finds its applications in a number of pharmacological studies, as they contain other bioactive compounds with anti-tumor, antioxidant, or anti-inflammatory functions. Various species of Nostoc extracts have shown antibacterial or antiviral activity and thus may be used in future to prepare drugs. To meet